get a heel. Pimpin' the bitch out in Beverly Hills. Walk out and activist, I found the passion for my brother. Sippin' tequila like Salvador. Double down on cause that's what you asking for.
Hi baddies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being another baddie in the room. As you can tell by the title, we are doing some cute finger waves to this beautiful pixie cut wig. This wig is from Janet Collection. This is the Mommywig. Honey, that very popular wig that came out that I missed, but we're bringing back. Yes, this is that wig, honey. I am just like so in love with my little get up right here, like period. I am so in love with my little get up. But this hair is super cute. Like what? Period. And it's hot, honey, so we need this hair up off our neck. And so I've been had this wig, I just never customized it until now. But girl, we are looking so cute. So without further ado, if you want to see how I styled this wig from Janet Collection, the Janet's Mommywig, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe if you're liking this video so far. Hit that subscribe button, become another baddie in the room. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next clip. Mwah. So I really wanted to try out this wig. I've had it for about a month now and I'm just now getting to the tutorial, but whatever. This is what it looks like. This is Janet Collection, says Mommywig, 100% human hair. And this is what it looks like. It's not straight out of the package because I've tried it on a few times. Like I said, I had it up for a minute now. Yeah, usually it would come with a hairnet and everything like that, packaged up really cute, but I done had this wig out before. So I was inspired to do this look by I Am Dollface Lyric. I love Dollface Lyric, period. Sis, if you ever see this video, hey, how you doing? How you doing? Period. But she inspired me to do this look, even though she did this look like a year ago. But yeah, so I'm just going to attempt to make this into a look, y'all. Let's see what we can do. I don't know if I'm gonna do a voiceover or I'm gonna talk to y'all because I need to focus. I need to focus probably, but we'll see. Alrighty, so y'all know the first thing that I do is when I'm doing my installs, I lay my edges back. Period. Gotta lay the edges back. So to lay my edges back today, I am taking the Edge Effect, let's see, Argan Oil, Olive Oil, Black Castor Oil, Professional Edge Control Gel. This is what it looks like, honey, fresh, because the bitch went to the beauty supply store today. Okay, this is what she looks like. Very satisfying. Oh wow. So I'm just gonna use her for my edges. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. I'm just going to take a little bit with my brush. Oh, it moves. And I'm just going to brush it in, brush it on up. Control on. She's controlling the edges. I'm not gonna lie. I like that. So I'm gonna take my TIGI bed head spray and I'm just gonna spray that over my edges just to ensure my edges won't come out of place. The edges that I have won't come out of place. Then I'm gonna take my wig cap. I'm just gonna use a black wig cap. Alrighty, y'all, so we're finna get to the fun part, honey. Let's put on our wig. This wig does not have a part in it, but Janet Collection does have a series of mommy wigs with different styles, different colors, different parting, different curl patterns and things like that. So make sure you just check that out on different websites. I'm gonna link the site that I got my wig from down below. So I'm just gonna put it on. Let me find the supposed parting. So I believe this is it right here. And so the inside of the wig does come with wig clips, adjustable straps, and I think there is 2 more wig clips at the bottom. So let's see, this is the back of the wig, this is the front, and this is the supposed part. I like my parts on this side, so I'm just gonna put the wig on like that. And I'm just gonna pull it down to my liking and pull it over to my liking. I'm pulling the back down as well. And I'm going to take the clips in the back and clip that to my hair. And I'm just moving this how it needs to be moved. So this is what the wig looks like on your head. So of course, I don't think you're gonna keep the wig like this. You would definitely have to customize this wig to your face and things of that nature. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I have a hair cutter that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to be razoring it down a little so she's nice and flat when we get ready to mold her. So in order for us to mold the hair properly and to maneuver the hair properly, you want to wet the hair. So I have just some water in this spray bottle, and then I have my Lotta Body coconut with coconut and shea oils Wrap Me foaming mousse. So that's what I'm going to be using today. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start customizing this wig. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become another baddie in the room, and I will see you in the next clip. Alright y'all, so this is what it's looking like after I customized it a little bit more. Now we're just about to go ahead and style it, so let's get into it. So now that I got it pretty much styled, I am just going to take my wraps and wrap it around my head and let it dry.